How to fix Huawei Mate 70 text notification sound not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on sounds and vibration. Now here you can see the option notifications. First of all, select sound and here you can turn on your notifications. After turning on your notification sound, then go back and scroll down in last and then click on system and updates and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.